In this guide, you'll find out how to make an electrical plan using GardenBox 3D. After you map out your landscape plan, go to Electricity to choose the objects for your project. Let's add power poles. Select a model and place it near the house. You can customize it. Hit Duplicate to add another one. Choose where to install an electrical cabinet. Let's place it right here on the side of the house. Use the walkthrough mode and walk around the property to see where you need to run electricity for your light fixtures and make sure there's enough light along the path. Hit Lighting and browse through the catalog. You'll find lights of various styles and sizes, from bollard to wall lights. Let's add them in front of the patio. You can preview your plan in the evening mode. Let's add a couple of wall lights. It's easier to map your plot's electrical circuits in 2D, so switch to the plan mode. First, connect the power poles using overhead lines. Left-click to add a starting point, and left-click again to set the endpoint. You might also want to draw a line connecting a pole down to your electrical panel. Next, map out the underground wiring. Click Draw Underground Line. Set a starting point right below the electrical cabinet and continue left-clicking along the path of your light fixtures to route the wire. Right-click to set the endpoint. Under the Properties tab, you can adjust the conduit diameter and the burial depth by dragging the corresponding slider. You can also change the conduit color if you want to. GardenBox 3D also lets you change the wire sag of the overhead lines for a realistic preview. For your convenience, check the Heights box. Now you can see the exact elevation or depth at every bend in your wire run. Here, you can see a button that allows you to turn on or off the ground transparency. It helps you view the underground wiring. And that's it! Start creating your own electrical plans today with GardenBox 3D. And don't forget to watch our other tutorials to design your dream backyard.